Hello student, we are reading head and neck anatomy. Okay, and we will read today about the skull. And this is the frontal bone. Okay, and these two are orbits. And this is the maxilla bone. And this is the mandible bone. Okay, we had read. And then this is the frontal tubule. And this notch, there are two notches, and these notches we called supraorbital notch because these present the superior side of the orbitals. This notch and this notch we called it supraorbital notch, and this is the nasion, and these are the orbital orbits, and there are present two bones, this bone and this bone. The both bones we called nasal bone, and there are present both side zygomatic bone. Okay, we called it zygomatic bone, and this feature, the feature are present inside the orbit. We called it superior orbital fissure. Okay, superior orbital fissure, and there are present two foramen on the maxilla bone. We called it infraorbital foramen. Okay, the both foramen are infraorbital foramen, and this is the maxilla and this is the mandible, and the two foramen present in the mandible bone, we called it mental foramen. These are the infraorbital foramen, and these foramen are mental foramen, and this surface is symphysis menti, and there are present a tuberance, and we called it mental protuberance. Okay, and this spine, uh, there are present spine, it divided to maxilla in two parts. We called it anterior nasal spine. Okay, and this about the skull, and I revise it. Frontal bone, these are the parietal bone. Okay, and there are two lines present on temporal bone. We called it temporal line, and these are the supraorbital notch, and this fissure is superior orbital fissure. This bone is zygomatic bone. Okay, and this is the maxilla, and this is the mandible, and this is the angle of mandible. Okay, the all about the skull.